Here we are, people. $3 bet, 2-cent denomination. Something amazing up there, please. $3 bet, we love to see it, but let's see if something great happens. Oh, buzzsaw? Grand? Not the mega hat? Not the mini? Okay. We'll live with it. Honk honk. Let's go. Get something nice here. I didn't even count, so I don't know where we're gonna end. It'll be a surprise for all of us. It'll probably be 4. It's always 4, but 4 is actually a really lucky one for me, so it's all good. Let's go. Re-triggers. No, none of those. None of those. Oh, okay. There we go. I said it happens. The re-triggers do happen, so when it's on 4 at least. Same sequence, please. Oh, ah.